just going to undo the screws on this case while I'm waiting for the pulley to come. Might as well while I'm dirty and I've got it. Again, JIS screwdrivers, Vassar ones, have the function where you can hit on it. So when you can't get your impact driver down into the screw because it's on an angle or it's not long enough, alright, it's on an angle, you're not going to get it to work. These work, you just have to really hit them. Obviously won't come out like that. Put some tension on it, get it on a solid and hit it, and it's made to shock it, hold it and turn it. This one won't do. Gotta just keep hitting it and then it comes loose. And extremely little damage to the actual screwdriver because it fits in it absolutely perfectly. But yeah, you just got to be prepared to hit them. Amazing. Protest. Here's wants to protest. Wants another thing taken out. Oh, before I take it out. One of the other screws is in the way. Screw for the hook. The screw for the clutch cable clamp is in the way. Also hasn't been taken out before. All those are undone. Get the pulley off, you have to loosen those too. Whole assembly comes off, I think. Might as well do it. I didn't want to treat it like the other ones, because all it does is hold the clutch lever in. I didn't want to treat it as bad, because but it was so bloody tight. Yeah, there's no reason for that. Just a clutch lever. Let's put that there. It's different than the others as well. I want to see the seal surface. On this, because you can see it, can't really see it leaking until of course I put it back together, then it'll leak. There's really nothing to see. All that's above, that's where that screw went into there, and that's where the seal runs there. A little light buffing and a new seal, that'll be perfect. It's definitely not a fan of coming out. There it goes. Jeez. Again, I'll flip that seal surface. And it's rock hard. Definitely all the case bolts are out now. If that was off, I could just slip it. And it's separated. I wonder if this inner one will just come off that outer. They all go that way. It kind of wants to come apart. Get a bit out of it, not much. I'm just saying. Oh, it's actually moving on this bearing. This bearing's moving on that shaft. So if it does want to come apart, oh, bonus, it does come apart. Very unconventional way of doing it, but there you go. Look at all the crap in the bottom of that. In the bottom of that case. Obviously been stirring it up for 20 odd years, 30 years. Beautiful. Rod. Those bearings feel absolutely fucking beautiful. Get some clean in it. Get this stupid sun plug washer out. Nice sun plug out. Fucking morons. How can you create that much fucking damage? Seriously. Anyway, that bit's done. Counterbalance. Nice big weight. That's my selector. always have a look at the things. We'll look at them better when we clean up the things. We'll have a look at the forks. Obviously go in there. Gears. There's no teeth missing. Doesn't produce enough power to get teeth missing, I reckon. Definitely no teeth missing. Solid. Oh, even the output shaft will come out. And what are we looking for? Because this one had the bad seal. We're looking for a seal surface. And with a emery, a light emery, that will be, there's hardly any marks there. There's turning marks there. Also the teeth on where the chain cog connects to, there's hardly any wear in there either. Looks like all the teeth are good. Closer inspection when we wash it. So I need an oil drain. Bearings feel good. I can't get that off because it's still attached. There's definitely no movement in that conrod though. So I think a good clean up and get rid of it. New pistone rings, if the piston bore measures okay. New pistone rings, it's going to be the go. I'm going to have a look at the head yet. It's a bit of random shit. Meanwhile the head, after I put that WD in it, it's still got WD in it. So none of it's leaked through, so I'd say the valves are sealing, but a freshen up wouldn't help, wouldn't hurt, I mean. Man, it's better than what I thought it was going to be, that's for sure. I was expecting all sorts of shit in the bottom, but it is an SR. It is a Yamaha that was properly made, not other countries. Okay, we're going to clean all this up now. I just have everything everywhere. Really, I don't worry about it until I've got to put it all back together. I seem to have a memory where I remember where things go. I don't know whether it's just experience or is it just arse. I don't know. But anyway, we'll get everything clean. We'll check the piston bore clearance. The next video, I'll do this head, pull this head apart, and we'll show you how to maybe cut some valve seats, because I do have the cutters for doing these, and set them in. That's alright. I'm going to see if I can find a better sump plug. And I'm going to check up on these friction plates to see if they're supposed to be black. Because the weirdest thing, they're all black. There is no hot spots on them. They're all exactly perfect. They're like they haven't been used. Basically, it looks like it's been just put together. It might be just the manufacturing, and there seems to be plenty on these clutch plates. yeah, I really don't know anything about that. I'll have to have a look. It's the weirdest thing. There's no hotspots. And plenty of clutch material left. So interesting. Like, subscribe, helps me do the videos, and I've got some really interesting stuff coming up. Hopefully the sound working fine. Anyway, we'll get this washed up and get it ready to go back together.